So for this project, I have considered Costello Hardware Company, whose retail analysis I'm going to be doing. So Costello is a very famous company in Long Island, whose data set contained around 7,000 to 10,000 records. There were total around 39 columns, out of which I removed some of the column which won't be used as an analysis. The dataset contained the items which were purchased, from which store it was purchased, the price of the item, the retail price, the gross margin, and the line items, which basically means was it sale, return. I have created a separate column for review, which I created using Yelp, a website by which I scraped all the reviews and gave it a numerical value from 1 to 5. So when we land on the home page, we get a default actual price of the materials, wherein I have created a separate drop down for numeric and a separate drop down for the categorical data. For the numeric data, when we hover the mouse, we see the value, and as mentioned, when we drag, the bin size should increase, and on the left it should decrease. Similarly, for the sales, when we hover over the bins, we get the value. For the cost, a similar thing. The gross margin is how each gross has been done at each location. And the actual price. On the categorical data, I have created for department, on which departments the item was purchased more, the item type. So what kind of items were bought? Definitely the sale items were bought the most, or they discounted, were bought to a good attempt. There were very few items which were returned. So there is this one part wherein there were some items which were scanned, and there was some theft on the data items which were not scanned. So this demonstrates how many items were scanned, how many items didn't have the barcode on it, and these were like how many items were not present. The reviews tell us on gives us the reviews on what is the review of the Costello company based on 1 to 5, and the tender tells us like what kind of tender were used to get the products. This is my project.